Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Michelin jump starter. First, always prioritize safety. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is turned off and in park. It's crucial to wear appropriate safety gear, like glasses and gloves, to protect yourself. Also, take a moment to confirm your jump starter has sufficient power, ideally at least 75% charged, for an effective boost. Now, let's connect the jump starter. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery. This grounding step is vital for safety and prevents sparks. Double-check that both clamps are firmly in place before proceeding. With the connections secure, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your Michelin jump starter. Then, try to start your car's engine for a brief period, no longer than 5 seconds. If it doesn't immediately start, wait for about 60 seconds before attempting another crank. This pause helps prevent overheating and potential damage to your vehicle's starter motor. Congratulations, your engine is running. Now, carefully disconnect the jump starter. First, turn off the jump starter unit. Then, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block, followed by the red positive clamp from the battery. Remember to fully recharge your Michelin jump starter after every use. Store it properly in a cool, dry location, ensuring it's ready for any future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.